If you're like most restoration business owners, you probably wish you could find a way to attract more customers and grow your business. Fortunately, there are several things you can do to achieve this goal. In this blog post, we'll discuss some of the best ways to grow your restoration business. Keep reading for more information. 1. What services do you offer to clients? The best way to start your restoration business is by identifying what services you will offer. Clients want convenience, speed and cost effectiveness. So it's important that they are able to provide these things themselves, or at least be aware of the company who can do so without too much trouble for them when needed. 2. What are the unique benefits of your restoration business? The great thing about being in the restoration business is how many different ways you can provide benefits. You might specialize, for example, by offering emergency water damage cleanup or mold remediation services to people who have been victims of disasters like floods and fires. There are also opportunities if your company does drywall installation as well. 3. How do you price your services? The costs of restoration services will vary depending on the size and scope. It is important not only to give an accurate estimate, but also be prepared for any unexpected issues that may arise during construction or post-restoration cleanup periods, i.e., weeds. In order to find out how much your project should cost you, we need several factors: type S of material required, length/breadth, dimensions in feet, foot, height. In this include stories above ground level like rooftops as well. If there are features such as chimneys etc., then add those separately too. 4. What is the process of working with your company? Growing your restoration business is about finding the perfect balance. The first step in achieving this goal requires being able to identify what you want for yourself, but it also isn't as simple or straightforward as one might think at first glance. There are many factors involved, from understanding who you are and how people perceive both their interactions with other professionals and ourselves, on an individual level, all throughout different stages during which they come into contact us, until finally deciding whether these relationships will lead anywhere long term. 5. How do you handle insurance claims? If you are new to the restoration industry, one of your first tasks is filing an insurance claim with a company. This process can be difficult and overwhelming for many people, especially if they're not sure what steps need taken or where all of this information should go. There's so much paperwork involved in mounting any kind failure at work that it'll take time before anything gets done, and by then their customers may already think twice. To make things easier on yourself as well as more profitable once everything pans out. 6. Case studies or examples of successful projects. The key to growth for restoration businesses lies in case studies and examples. It is crucial that you show clients what they can expect when working with your company, so create a few successful projects or photographs of completed jobs. This will demonstrate quality service. If you're looking to grow your restoration business, we can help. We offer a free consultation so that we can learn more about your unique needs and how we can best serve you. Our team has the experience and expertise necessary to help you reach your goals and grow your business. Contact us today to book a free consultation and see how we can help you take your restoration business to the next level.